So that tree down over there that I said I was gonna climb has like a big old poison ivy branch on it. So we're not gonna climb that, but we're gonna climb this tree again. It also just rained, so I'm taking it as a challenge as to what I can climb in terms of wetness. I also have gloves to help me out, so see how we do. It's the highest I've gone in this tree. Everything else looks really skinny though. Okay, now this is the highest I've been. Oh, it's a long way down. Hands are cold, makes it a lot harder to grip because forearms are cold and those muscles are tight, you know. It's crazy. This tree is by far the best to climb, I think, out of all of them. I'm gonna climb this tree. It's a tight squeeze. We up here now. That's dead. I wonder if you could ever like sleep on a tree, like cut all that stuff off the, like cut all the dead limbs off a branch and just like put like a hang an inu. That'd be cool. Should do that. It's better to get rid of the dead stick, and so that way you can hang on to the little notch, grip it there. It's a better grip than a dead branch. But still wouldn't recommend, but if you had to, the notch is way more stronger than the branch ever was. Tight squeeze again. Back down the tight squeeze. Whew. Tight squeeze, no joke. That was fun. I got up to like right about there. So this one's a lot shorter. Whew. Oh, look, it's a bird's nest. Well, it was a bird's nest. This tree's a lot dead. Just a little bit. Ooh, this does not look promising. Shoe's caught. Shoot, I don't even remember the way I came back up. Bro, climbing trees is so much fun. I don't know why I haven't thought about just climbing a lot of trees before, or any of these trees. Climbed all these trees now. Now it's just about getting better and getting up there. So let's see what I can do with this tree. Like I used to. I used to climb this tree. Oh, I dropped you. I don't know if I can still do it, because there's no grip here because it got chopped off. So let's see if I could spread eagle it, you know. This tree right here is dead that I'm leaning on. Nope. Shit. All right, we're going back down. I don't trust this. I was about to slip. Whew. I could do it. I just need something to grip onto so that I could move my entire body onto this tree right here. But this tree doesn't have nothing on it. So, whew. Split climbing is hard. It's butt cheeks, bro. I think I might tether something so I can hold on to it on this side while I use this tree to get up to that one.